Shoutout goes to Bryan Schlipp Jr. for submitting this request.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indiana State Police. A statewide Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating. A statewide Amber Alert has been declared. The South Bend Police Department is searching for Julia Miles Hamburger, white female, age 15. She is described as 6 foot 4 inches tall. She was last seen at 444 South Main Street in South Bend, Indiana. She was wearing an overall skirt. Julia has black hair and brown eyes. Also searching for Trevor Miles Hamburger, white male, age 13, 5 feet 10 inches tall. Clothing description is black shirt, a baseball hat, black jeans and polka-dotted shoes, brown hair, turquoise-colored eyes. The police is looking for the suspect, Gary Anderson, white male, age 30, weighs 200 pounds with black hair, green eyes, last seen with a black shirt and shorts in connection with her abduction. Law enforcement officials believe Julia and Trevor are in grave or immediate danger. The suspect was driving a gray, 2008, Honda Civic, stolen Michigan license plate, EV9343132. If you have any information regarding the victims or suspect, please call the South Bend Police Department at 574-269-2262 or 911. This concludes this Amber Alert message.